All right, this is how to evaluate explicit formulas, which you're going to need for IXL in V5 with a SMART score of 90. First one says find the first four terms of the sequence defined below, where n represents the position of a term in the sequence. Start with n equals 1. So, if I'm finding n equals 1, then what I'm looking for is a sub 1. And a sub 1 is just taking the n and plugging in a 1. So I get 3 times 3 to the first power. And don't forget when you're here that you're going to use PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So you're going to do the exponent first. 3 to the first power is 3, and 3 times 3 is 1. So the first term is 9. Now we're not done because it said it wanted us to find the first four terms. So now we have to find a sub 2. So a sub 2 is 3 times 3 to the second power. And again, we're going to square first. 3 squared is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So a sub 2 is 27. All right, and a sub 3, that'll be 3 times 3 to the third power. So a sub 3 is 3 to the third power. Is 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 times this 3 gives us 81. And then a sub 4 is 3 times 3 to the fourth power. And 3 to the fourth power is 81. So we get 3 times 81. And 3 times 81 is 243. So the first four terms of this sequence is that a sub 1 is 9, a sub 2 is 27, a sub 3 is 81, and a sub 4 is 243. All right, let's go to the next page. On the next page it says to find only the fourth term. So we're going to let n equal 4, so a sub 4 is 11 over 15 times 3 over 2 raised to the 4 minus 1 power. And the 4 minus 1 power means that we want 11 over 15 times 3 over 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. All right, let's go over here at the side. We've got 3 over 2 cubed, which means 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. In our numerator, we have 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. In our denominator, we have 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So now over here we have a to the 4. A sub 4 is 11 over 15 times 27 over 8. Now before you multiply this, you want to see if anything reduces. And the 15 and the 27 reduce. 3 goes into both of those, and we get a 5 and a 9. And then we're ready to multiply. Top times top is 99. 11 times 9 is 99. So a sub 4 is 99. And in the denominator, we have 5 times 8, which is 40. So the fourth term, a sub 4, is 99 over 40. All right. And number 3, find the fifth term. So a sub 5 is a negative 11 times 3 to the 5 minus 1 power. And so a sub 5 is a negative 11 times 3 to the fourth power. So a sub 5 is a negative 11 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 81. And a negative 11 times 81 is 891, but it's negative, so a sub 5 is a negative 891, and there's the fifth term of this sequence.